Hello class and welcome to week 6 of English 101 online. This is the final week for the semester. Congratulations to those of you who have stuck with the course. The light is at the proverbial light is at the end of the tunnel. If you're looking at the calendar this week, you see that it's pretty predictable. This week you'll begin your research for the health essay. You will be using at least one source from the common readings and or videos in your essay, and you will be researching at least two outside sources, two reputable outside sources, and integrating them into your health essay. Also, for this essay, because it's somewhat controversial, I'd like you to integrate or have a paragraph, include a paragraph in your essay that's called the refutation paragraph. You're not going to write the word refutation. I will know it's a refutation when you do the following. In your refutation essay, you'll address the other side. Who might disagree with your point, your thesis? For instance, if you're arguing that conventional foods are just as fine or even better than organic foods, what might the people who like organic foods, like me, say to counter that? So you want to imagine what your opponents would say, address their point. You might actually use the phrase, opponents to my argument believe so and so and so. In that same paragraph, you want to knock down their point by showing that their point is weaker than yours. So you might say, although they believe so-and-so, I believe so-and-so. Or you can say, although people who like organic foods may think it's better for you and maybe it's healthier, studies show that conventional foods are just as good. The FDA has signed off on a lot of conventional foods and so forth and so on. So basically your refutation paragraph, which is found, please place it in the paragraph just before the conclusion. That is because you want to support all of your main points throughout your essay, but just before your conclusion, you want to address your opponent's point. And that shows that you're being fair, you're being understanding, you're willing to listen to the other side, although you will be knocking down their point in that same essay. So please include a refutation paragraph just before your conclusion. Also, this essay is 3 to 5 pages long. I apologize for saying 3 to 4 prior to this video. It's 3 to 5 pages long, typed in Verdana font with a nifty title, indented at the first line of every paragraph is indented with a tab indent, and of course your works cited page, which is a part of your document, but it's a separate page from your document, just a new page. So there should not be any typed text from your essay on your works cited page. It should be a separate page. To create a new page, you simply click, hit the Control and Enter button simultaneously, and you will get a new page. So it's research, write your essay, peer reviews, post your peer reviews on the discussion board later in the week, and then the final draft of your health essay is due. And then your grades will go in sometime next week, maybe next Wednesday or so. All right, I hope this was very helpful. Have a good day.